Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is the cat eye that I got for only $23. The only thing I had to do to it so far is I had to replace the rear fender. It was cracked and there was no saving it. I had a spare, I just had to paint it black. I also painted the chain guard black, added some stickers. The body has some more stickers, it's just off right now. And then I tried to start it just to see if it would work. And it did start, although it had a bad leak because it was missing some of the gaskets on the intake. So I went ahead and made them on my own. Make sure you have the vent hole for the gas that comes out here. Also the bolts are stripped, so I bought brand new ones from the hardware store. This is the front gasket. And then instead of the performance air filter that it came with, I'm rocking one that you can shut the choke off from my dirt bike that I had. I forgot, but I actually did seal up this tire with bead sealant and some slime tire sealant because it was flat and wouldn't really hold air until I did that. Now it works nicely, and that way the bike will achieve better gas mileage and go faster, hopefully, without having to run with a flat tire. Alright, got it started. And take it out for a test ride. I'm happy to see that exhaust works out for the cat eye. So those of you that have one and want the original exhaust, it would be nice, but this one suffices. It was running pretty good, it revved pretty high, but the thing is the clutch didn't engage, so the bike doesn't want to move yet. So I have to take apart the transmission right here, see if it's either it needs a new clutch pads or what's going on. Stay tuned. I guess I forgot I already did the work, but I did add a kill switch. So while it's running, you just hold that down and it shuts off the contact. And then on all my bikes, I had a little keychain. So I'm going to be working on the transmission. We're going to see what's going on, if maybe it needs new clutch pads or what. So this bottom piece actually needed the bolts to come off so that this whole unit can come off. And check it out. I've never seen in here. Oh, okay. Well, that looks to be our issue right there, is the transmission clutch housing is broken. So it wouldn't even turn. That's a good sign. When you turn this, the shaft moves, meaning it's probably good. We'll just check out the gears, refill it with oil. Let's put this aside. Oh wow. Yeah, so that was the issue, is the housing was basically broken. And these pads look really good, actually. From the bottom of the metal to the tip of my finger, they got good life on it. I'm getting excited. That means that once this thing is running with this good housing on it, this is going to be a nice bike. Sweet, dude. I'll just degrease that. Let's go. Finally, the day has come. I bought the transmission. Also, make sure you shop online, because this was $29.99 when with the gear was about $40. So I got it for $10 cheaper because I have my gear on the old one. I'll just swap it over. But this is why we bought it, because it comes with the clutch bell housing attached and new. So let's go ahead and get the bike out, put it back together, fill it up, and let her rip, even though it's not a Beyblade. Hey guys, so I got this sprocket on, and when I turn it, it sounds very chunky. So I took the drain plug out, either side works, and there's no oil in it. So they shipped it out with no oil inside the casing, and that would be not that good to run. at high RPMs, metal on metal, with no oil lubrication on the inside. So we're going to make sure we add about a spoonful of oil, and that way it'll just be enough to lubricate it. I just use the same oil for my car's automatic transmission for this small automatic transmission. Finally, I got the transmission on the bike, and remember, always wear a helmet when you're riding. So let's go ahead and take it out. Made sure I polish it up too so it looks nice and shiny. Well, I tried to ride the bike and the transmission functioned, but as soon as the bike would take off, it seemed to die out or bog down. And the carburetor's cleaned, so it might just need like a new spark plug or something. But I don't really feel like messing with it, so we're just gonna sell it. Thanks for watching.